explorers, today we are come to Bhivpuri. Bhivpuri is a station just before Karjat and it's famous for its waterfall. Can you see behind me, just behind me is the beautiful Bhivpuri waterfall. We are surrounded on all sides with beautiful lush green hills and look at the scenery, it's just so magnificently beautiful and we are come at the right climate. Just like salt and pepper, you have a little drizzle, a little sunshine, perfect for us today. So we are enjoying ourselves, hope you do too. A shout out to our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to Exploring Bees. Here's the waterfall and the people all wanting to enjoy themselves here. And this is a little gang of Exploring Bees. Hi Exploring Bees! Tirtha!
Hi friends, please like, share and subscribe.
Our children are tired at the end of the day. So Tirtha, how was the place?
Really nice.
Very nice. Artha, how was it?
Bhivpuri waterfall is very adventurous place.
So sweet. And Shania?
Bhivpuri waterfall is very beautiful. Please visit.
Please visit. Really, this place is safe for children, so you can get your children here and enjoy yourselves. We have come to an end of our waterfall trip here at Bhivpuri and it was really fun. The children enjoyed themselves. Bhivpuri is the station just before Karjat. So in our series of Karjat, this was one of the spots which we wanted to show you. And we spent a good Sunday here. So instead of sitting at home in front of the TV or in front of the mobile phone, bring your children out in nature. Let them enjoy themselves out in nature. It's the best thing for them. So till then, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.